Entrepreneurship is living a few years of your life like most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't.
Kung ikaw ay ride or die, mapapasatin ang lahat. Malaki aking misyon, baby, down ka ba or what? Kung ayaw mo na merong kukuha dyan sa iyong spot. May gusto bang pumalit sa'yo, sagot ko dyan alat. Pag ika'y humiwalay, ang masasabi ko good luck. Ang magiging ending yan, yung luha mo ay papatak. Kasi alam mo namang nobody better